Hello guys, today we will take a look at how we can remove our Google Play Store account or how we can sign out from our Gmail account on Google Play Store. So let's take a look at our Google Play Store. As you can see, here's the Google Play Store. Let's now open it, and here's the Google Play Store. We will see here's a account. As you can see, Usama Akram .089@gmail.com. For example, we want to remove this account from our Google Play Store. Guys, as you can see, there is no sign out option here, and you cannot remove this account or sign out from this account from here. So let's now take a look how we can remove this account. You just have to go to your mobile settings, and then you have to go to your accounts option. Click on the accounts option here. Guys, whether you are using any Android mobile, while it is a Q, Oppo and any mobile using Android software, the account option in the mobile setting is the same, so be free to use this option. Here's the two options. For example, you want to remove the Gmail account, Google account, you have to click Google. Then you have to remove this account, click on it, and then you just have to click the three icon options from here and click on this remove account. Press OK. Now let's take a look at our Google Play Store. I think so guys, you see, in this way we can remove our Google Play Store account from our mobile settings. Thank you so much. In the next video I will talk about how to add any Gmail account to our Google Play Store in the same way. Till then, thank you.